Hi everyone. The lecture 2 is devoted to the circuit theory. Since most of enrolled students attended the circuit theory course, in the lecture 2, we will make just a quick summary. Let me introduce an easy problem. What is the loop current? Of course, the answer is that the loop current is V sub A divided by R sub 1. Yes, it is an easy problem. However, by adding more components, we can generate much more complicated problems. Therefore, we need a formal way to analyze the circuit. For that purpose, we first identify the circuit elements. An element means something like a resistor or a capacitor. A circuit is the network of those elements. An element has multiple terminals. For example, a resistor, a capacitor, an inductor, or a diode has two terminals. On the other hand, a MOSFET, which will be introduced later, has 3 or 4 terminals. Each element has multiple terminals, and for each terminal, we have the terminal voltage and the terminal current. Convention for the terminal current should be understood. When the current flows into the elements, the terminal current is positive. Then determine the sign of each terminal current. The answer is shown here. Check the answer by yourself. In the circuit, elements are connected. There will be a point to which multiple terminals are tied. Such a point is called a node. Sometimes we use a dot to identify a node, but it is not mandatory. Even without a dot, a point where multiple elements are met is a node. And there is a special node, the ground. At the ground node, the voltage is assumed to be 0. In the next video, we will introduce a way to describe a circuit only with a text file. Thank you.